Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto related video. This site is new mining site, so I want to introduce this site. Before I introduce my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Tron. Here is the two parts. One part crypto related uploaded in this site, and another part travel related video uploaded. If you get any information, those related, subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fast. Thanks to you all members which are still with me and keep following. So I hope I also try to my pleasure from best to you. Now I introduce my Telegram group, which name is BTC as Satoshi gift card exchange. Have your core mining. If you want to increase your mining power, please share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. Other option, you can collect your essential card from my Telegram group. Many of people share their card, hash card and gift card. And other option, you can join my Telegram group. You will get any information of cryptocurrency. So also try to best information to you in my Telegram group. Okay, you can invite your link in course and other related. So I hope you will share your hash card and gift card also. So নাও আমি আপনাদেরকে বলবো, আপনারা যারা কোর মাইনিং করতেছেন না এখনও পর্যন্ত, তারা আপনাদের কোর মাইনিং হ্যাশ পাওয়ার বাড়ানোর জন্য আপনারা এখানে জয়েন হন এবং আমার ভিডিওগুলো দেখতে পারেন, সেখানে কীভাবে হ্যাশ পাওয়ার বাড়াতে হয়। তো আপনারা হ্যাশ কার্ডের গিফট কার্ড এবং হ্যাশ কার্ডগুলো আপনারা এখানে শেয়ার করতে পারেন সহজে, এবং আশা করি আপনারা এই শেয়ারের মাধ্যমে আপনারা আপনাদের পাওয়ারের টাইমটা বাড়াতে পারেন। সো এবং যত কর এখন ইনকাম করেন সেটা আপনার জন্যই ভালো। আচ্ছা, নাও আই গো টু মাই মেন topic. The site is grizz lebit. Okay, this is the USD mining site. So 1 USD equal to 1 USDT. So this is a new mining site. So joining this site, so if you want to join in this site, you need to TRC20 wallet address. Okay, it's very easy. So how to join this? I want to here is a boundary program. So if you get any video this video, you can daily income is increasing your It is a 24 hours customer support here. So the now customer is health center supported name is Amelie. So if you want to increase incoming calculator, here is a show here TRS20, some type your option, you will get properly কোম্পানি ইনফরমেশন অ্যাভেলেবেল। আপনারা দেখতে পারেন এখানে সহজেই আপনারা ইনভেস্ট করতে পারেন। পেমেন্ট সাইটগুলো ক্লিয়ার, সব কিছু এখানে ক্লিয়ারলি বলার চেষ্টা করছে। এটাও আপনার হ্যাঁ, এখানে রেফারেল মানে ফোর আপনি ইনকাম করেন। ইউ হ্যাভ টু আর্ন 4 level. So I hope you will join in this site and very fastly. So last withdrawal and last deposit show here. So no transaction show here, but I hope it will be helpful to you, and also they must be payment to you. If you joining this site, you get 200 USDT bonus, and also call any friend, you get 5 USDT bonus. আপনি 200 USDT পাবেন এবং 5 USDT bonus পাবেন। So now what to do? You please click this option, sign up option. So okay, type your username, define password also, same type password type and email and sign up. So I also fill up this. Now I fill up this option and sign up the press button, and I am now waiting. Okay, I also save this investment option. If you for invest, do show 100 select plan, also TRT, you also invest, you can easily invest this site. Okay, USDT 𝑏𝑰𝑭𝑻 will be available here. Automatically mining this site. Okay, 200 active deposit show here. You can also you want to withdraw deposit 200 invited, you show you invested in my investment. Also how to gain this is show here actual your lifetime, 1 year's count. So date of creation has show here. Reinvestment, you can reinvest your amount, okay, and easily. So already mining in this site. So how to withdraw balance of scores, waiting this. Okay, reinvestment is not working. Okay, fund withdrawal. If you want to USDT dollar, okay, okay, payment system selected. You are seeing 5 USD, minimum 5 USDT will be, and please set your wallet. You must be 5 USD in your account, you will be withdraw from this site. Okay. You also Tether USD TRC bonus minimum 5 USD. So if you same equal value of 5 USDT in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and also Dogecoin. Here transaction history show here. Click this option. It's working. Already bonus. I'll show you my bonus also completed. My wallet banners. If you publish this coupling, and you also easily banners. Okay. Bounty program. Okay, if you publish this or advertise this, you will get bonus from this site. Okay, you video also paste here. Other option, Twitter, and also for Telegram, also TikTok and Twitter, Facebook. You also please this option, and also filling this type, you will get high power with your mining power. So settings also good. Okay, you can change your password also. Bounty program is good. No more today. I hope this video is useful to joining this site, and I also this video description have this video link, so please joining this site, and very increasing your mining power. Okay, take care yourself. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.